Well, good evening, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I went shopping today. I went to Dollar Tree. I actually went to Joann's Fat, but didn't get much. I was on a mission. And then I went to Five Below. We didn't get anything in there. There was nothing in Five Below that we wanted, my granddaughter and I. And then I went to Delaware Corp, which is like this, it's a store, and it has like, I don't know, they have like produce and all that. But I'll show you. And I'm not going to do it in any order, so forgive me for that. So this I got from Delaware Corp. They have fresh produce. So I got one pepper because I had two, so I can always use another one. So I got this one. Fresh, right up from the farm in New Jersey. Nice looking pepper. I was really happy with that. Then, I'm throwing things away as like, I'm OCD like that. Then I got a melon. I'm going to have this for breakfast tomorrow. I love these. So how's everybody doing? I'm doing fine. Just talking about the giveaway at the end of this. Then I got, from the court, I got some soy milk, and that was $2. And then I got some, this was Mott's Sensible Apple and Cranberry, and I got, this was, I think this was $1.50. It's 100% real juice. I love juice. So you know what I went to the dollar store for. So then I got three repeaters. One just hit the floor. Two, and the other one hit the floor. So I'll see if I can pick it up. If I can't, I'll get it later. It's around here somewhere. I heard it when it fell. Then, I got grape juice. Now this was $1.50. It's 100% grape juice. And then I got, this was, no, I got the wrong bag. This was, I actually did it, I did it pretty good. Then I got some iced tea from there. That was 75 cents. I went for butter actually, but they didn't have any. And then I got some buttermilk. I can make my own buttermilk with hay. When the buttermilk is $1, why not? Then, I got 12 ears of corn for $4.50, which wasn't bad at all. Here's the corn. I'll pull out one. I'm not going to pull out all the 12 ears. I'm going to give some of this corn to my neighbor. And asked my daughter if she wanted some. She said she had already got some. Our farm down the street is open. And then, when I went to Five Below, I did get, and I forgot, some grape soda. Didn't really like that. And then I got 5 of these for my granddaughter. The Hasbro Star Mix. I got 2 of these and 3 of these because they were 5 for $1. Dum Dum here went to Big Lots about 3 weeks ago, maybe 4 now. And they had a big giant bag of Habaros for 88 cents. Why I didn't buy 2 or 3 of them, I don't know. I wasn't really thinking. I don't know what happened to draw my attention from it, but I'm really sorry about that because my granddaughter, that's really only one of the candies that she can eat. Then I went to the dollar store. And there I got some red pepper. This is crushed red pepper. This is actually for my plants outside for the squirrels to keep them out of there. And then I got 5 June-hits. I got guava and mango. I'm not going to pull out all 5. Then I got some sensitive toothpaste. And then I got, I was happy to see this. This is the refill for the soft soap. And this is cream soap. It's aloe and chamomile. And I got this, okay, for downstairs. And I'm here to fill up the soap dishes. The soap dispensers. I'm getting tired. Got some Swiss rolls. Got some pepperoni. Got some boom chicken pop. You know that's my pop. I got some, let me tell you the story about these forks. I got, once in a blue moon, I ran out of plastic forks. And for some reason I didn't have any, and I got spoons with no forks. I don't know why. So I went to go look for some forks. These are the only forks. Well, they had these other ones, but they were busted open. And then there was 3 forks that were way, I don't know why they put those things way up top. Like, you know, like there's not short people or people that, I mean, if my son or my son-in-law or my 2 grandsons, my 3 grandsons actually could probably reach it because they're 6 feet tall, but come on. So I only got these. So we have some forks and knives. Then, got my granddaughter some turkey bacon. Then, I got some bread. You know I got bread. Then, got some A&D. I found 2 packages of these stones, and they're different than the other ones. You can see them. They're like sea glass, actually. So I'm going to use them. I got 2 of these. Then, I got 3 of these. Actually going to use one of these to put, my husband took one of my good bowls and put the wood chips in the soap, okay? So I got one of these so he can put it in here and not fool with my bowls, okay? Then I got another pepperoni. Got some Kleenex. I told you, I am never going to be without Kleenex again. One of my mainstays is to go there and get Kleenex all the time. I got some scrubbing pads. And then I got some paper napkins. Yes, I did. I got paper napkins. I use cloth napkins, but then I realized the girls are over here all the time. So paper napkins is what I got. Yeah. Got this Arizona iced tea with lemon flavor. Then got some dishwashing detergent. I got apple pear, and this is Palmolive Essential Clean. Then I got I got 1 Pepsi. That's mine. Then I got some Lysol It's got 5 gallons, fresh and clean. I think this is lavender. I'm not sure. Clean and fresh, multi-surface. I think it's lavender. No, it's cherry blossom pomegranate. I thought it was lavender. But anyway, then the rest, that's it. So, if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to enter me. I got bit by a mosquito. He's dead now. Enter me into the comment section if you want to enter the drawing. Drawing is the end of the month, and I'm going to have a mystery box of really good things because I do reviews, so there'll be some good things in it. But I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Have a nice Sunday.